Hello everyone, my name is Shaina Giel Dizon. I'm reporter number 1. Our topic for today is all about design for quality. Design, innovation, and improvement. Ito yung mga products and services daw ay parehong nagbe-benefit ang company and yung mga clients or customers. Yung mga customers, once na masatisfy sila sa products or services ng isang company, will get profitable. Pero yung leadership at management style ay nakadesenyo sa paglikha o simbolo at proseso na nagre-reflect sa business flow ng isang company. Halimbawa, yung mga materials na gamit sa isang product ay hindi maayos, pwede itong mag-reflect sa company which hindi na bibilin ng client yung service or product once na nagkaroon na ng employee na hindi maganda ang attitude. Magre-reflect yon sa company at papangit ang image ng company. So, hindi na magti-take ng services yung mga client kasi pangit yung attitude ng mga employees. Sinasabi lang dito na yung design is very important dahil pag maganda ang design, mas malaki yung chance na mas mabenta yung product mo at mas may edge ka sa ibang company. Lalo na kung yung design mo is user-friendly, madaling gamitin, nakaka-save ng oras, and nakaka-adapt sa innovation o sa pagbago ng mga technology lalo na sa ngayon. Once na maayos at quality ng pagkakadesign ng isang product, mas tatangkilikin ito ng mga customers at mas madaming mga investor ang pwedeng mag-invest sa company and mapapalaki pa ang negosyo mo. The design process. Sa pagpaprocess ng mga design, very important that you need to know is the commitment. Hindi lang sa mga kasamahan mo, kundi sa pinakamataas na management ng organization para mas maipakita at makapag-produce kayo ng mas magandang quality ng design. Kasi kapag may maayos kayong communication at magandang relationship sa parehong group, mas maganda ang kalalabasan. Strategic balance between product or services and process development to ensure that product and service innovation maintain market position, while process innovation ensures that production risk in safety, quality, productivity, and effectively controlled and reduced. Ito yung mini-maintain nila, hindi lang yung quality ng products nila, kundi pati yung services para hindi nagbabago ang ratings nila sa market. And the process innovation, ito yung sinisigurado nila lahat ng nangyayari sa production pa lang ay nakokontrol na nila o nape-prevent na nila. Tulad ng safety, quality of the product, and productivity or process nito. Top management approach. To design and product or service creation to set the tone and ensure that the commitment is the common objective by visibly supporting the design effort. Direct control should be concentrated or critical decision points, since over-meddling by very senior people in day-to-day project management can delay and demotive staff. In top management approach, bilang isang nasa senior management, isa sa pinaka-objective mo ay yung commitment dahil sa iyo nanggagaling ang lahat ng utos, mga rules, mga methods na dapat matutunan ng mga naka-under na management. Dahil kung mahigpit ka, maraming magkakaroon ng delay sa paggawa ng project mo o magsisialisan ang mga staff mo. Kaya ang bawat isa sa inyo mahalagang magkaisa at magtulungan. Teamwork. To ensure that once projects are underway, special input from marketing and technical experts are fused and problems are tackled simultaneously. The teamwork should be urgent yet informal, for too much formal can stifle initiative flair and the fun of design. Sa teamwork, hindi mo kailangan makipag-usap ng formal, especially sa mga marketing and technical. Kapag ba may problem ka, formal ka pa rin bang makipag-usap? Diba hindi naman? So, dito rin sa isang organization, kailangan mong maintindihan na hindi sa lahat ng oras formal ka dapat magsalita. Dahil nakakawala yun ng idea at sigla sa communication. Designing. If design quality is taking care of all aspects of the customer's requirements, including cost, production, safe and easy use, and maintainability products and services. Kapag bubuo ka ng isang product or design, lagi mong inuuna kung magugustuhan ba ito ng mga customer mo, kung ito ba ay papatok at gustong-gusto ng mga target customer mo. Syempre, kapag gagawa ka ng product, lagi mong i-conducer kung hindi ba siya costly or swak lang siya sa budget, kung safe ba at madaling gamitin, at kaya ba lang i-maintain yung quality ng service or ng products. Planning. Identifying the need, including for change, developing that which satisfies the need, checking the conformance to the need, ensuring that the need is satisfied. Total design process. The appropriateness of the actual design process has a profound influence on the performance of any organization, and much can be learned by examining successfully companies and how their strategy for research, design, and development are linked to the efforts of marketing and operations. Nagiging success ang isang organization kapag nakaalam o angkop ba yung pag-process ng mga design or products. Dahil kung hindi, maaaring lalaki ang gastos. Hindi rin ito magiging kilala sa masa. Mahalaga ang pag-alam at pag-aralan ang mga strategies upang sa marketing and operation ay makakitaan mo na magiging successful ito. Nagiging success ang isang organization kapag nakaalam o angkop ba yung pag-process ng mga design or products. Dahil kung hindi, maaaring lalaki ang gastos. Hindi rin ito magiging kilala sa masa. Mahalaga ang pag-alam at pag-aralan ang mga strategies upang sa marketing and operation ay makakitaan mo na magiging successful ito. Cross-functional new product creation process. Quality Function Development, the House of Quality. The House of Quality ay kilala sa tawag na QFD or Quality Function Development na dinevelop ni Dr. Yogi Akau noong 1966 sa Japan, na naging way niya para yung quality assurance and quality control ay maaari niyang magamit para sa value engineering, which is yung project niya at maaari yung maibenta sa mas murang halaga. The activities included in QFDR: market research, basic research, innovation, concept design, prototype testing, final product or service testing, after sales service and troubleshooting. The QFD or House of Quality Tables. Specification and Standards. Ito yung pamantayan ng isang product kung paano mo gawin o i-process ang isang products. Kung ilang kutsara ba nito, kung ilang kilo or grams ba ang kailangan nito, lahat yon ay dapat alam mo at naka-indicate doon pa lang sa specification mo, at dapat isulat mo lahat ng information para maging aware ang mga customer mo sa product. Voice of the customer. The basic requirements of specification are that it gives the number 1, performance requirements of the product or service in measurable term. Number 2, parameters such as dimension, concentration, turnaround time, which describe the product or service adequately. This should be qualified and include the unit of measurement. Materials to be used by stipulating properties or referring to other specification. method of production or delivery of the service, inspection, testing, checking requirements, reference to other applicable specification or documents.
Topic 2. Design quality in the service sector. The emerge of the services sector has been suggested by economics to be part of the natural progression in which economic dominance changes first from agriculture to manufacturing and then to service. To come up daw po yung service sector has suggest of economist para po maging part of natural progress. The particular characteristic of service delivery system may be itemized: intangibility, perishability, simultaneity, heterogeneity. Intangibility means that service can not be seen, tested, felt. For example, an airline passenger has only a ticket and the promise of a safe and comfortable journey. Perishability describe the way in which services capacity. It means the product is time limited. Simultaneity, the quality state of being is stimulus. Example, a car crash in London and another in New York, appearing to happen at same time to an observer on Earth, will appear to have occupied at slightly different times to an observer on an airplane flying between London and New York. Heterogeneity, term used when a sample is composed of items, individual that are different from one another. Several sources from the literature on the subject help us to place services in one of 5 categories. Number 1, service factory. Dito ginagawa o pinoproduce ang isang product. Number 2, service shop. A building of part of a building where personal services are provided. Mass service, professional service, personal service. Several services attributes have particular significance for the design of service operation. Labor intense. The ratio of labor costs incurred to the value of asset and equipment used, people versus equipment-based services. Production activity. Contact, consumer contact to control the system. Interaction. For example, an occasion when 2 people communicate with or react to each other. Customization. Dito naman po ay pwedeng mong i-customize the design. Nature of Service Act. Di po pwedeng hawakan o di pwedeng angkinin. Recipient of services. Classification of selected services. The relationship between service quality and customer perception of the product quality. His 5 dimensions are: number 1, reliability, to perform the service dependably and accurately. Responsiveness, willing kang tulungan ang isang customer and provide action in service to their need. Assurance is a ability to inspire the employee to their trust and confidence. Empathy, pag-aalaga sa mga customer. Tangibles, totoo o pwedeng makita o mahawakan. Groupings of similar services: driving school, clinic, leisure center, accountant, finance consultant, solicitor, hotel, college, coach, service, take away, cleaning from repair, firm maintenance, personal service, service shop, professional service, mass service, service factory, um, sports coaching, beautician, dental practice, hairdresser, optician, cafeteria services station, architect, management consultant, veterinary, restaurant, bus service, rail service, nursery, courier firm, postal service, equipment hire bank. ServQual survey statement. Reliability, providing service as promised. Dependability in handling customer service problem. Performing services right the first time. Provide services at the promised time. Maintaining error-free records. Responsiveness, keeping customer informed of when services will perform. Prompt service to customer, willingness to help, customer readiness to respond to customer requests. Assurance, instilling confidence in customer, making customer feel safe in their transaction, being consistently having a knowledge to answer question, empathy, giving customer service attention, dealing with customer in a caring fashion, etc. Tangible, modern equipment, visually appealing facility, having a neat professional appearance, visual appealing material associated with the service. The evolution of legal services. Failure mode, effect, and criticality analysis. The design of products, services, and processes. It is possible to determine possible mode of failure and their effect on the performance of the product or operation of the process or services system. Failure mode and effect analysis, FMEA, is the study of potential failures to determine their effects. Elements of a complete FMECA. Failure mode, anticipated condition of operation. Failure effect, potential failure are studied to determine their probable effect on the performance of full product. Failure criticality, potential failure on the various part of the product or service system. Moment of truth. Isang concept daw po na common with FME, created by John Carlson, CEO po ng Scandinavian Airlines. Research carried out by the European Centre for Business Excellence has led to a series of specific aspects that should be addressed to integrate design into the business or organization. Leadership and management style. Listening is designed into the organization. Management communicate the importance of good design in good partnership and vice versa. A management style is adopted that foster innovation and creativity and that motivate employees to work together effectively, wisely, avoiding the fear of failure. Customer strategy and planning. The customer is designed into the organization as a focus to shape policy and strategy decision. Designer and customer communicate directly. Customer are included in the design process. Customer are helped to articulate and participate in the understanding of their own requirements. Systems are in place to ensure that the changing needs of the customer inform changes to policy and strategy. Design and innovation performance measures are incorporated into policy and strategy reviews. The design process responds quickly to a customer. People, their management and satisfaction. People are encouraging to gain a holistic view of design. product, service creation within our organization. Commitment to design teams and their motivation, particular in function teamwork. Training programs are designed with respect to design in terms of skill training and technical training. Training helps integrate design activities into the business. Training impacts on design. Design activity or communicated include new product or service concept. Job satisfaction is harnessed to foster good design. The result of employee survey or feedback into the design process. Resource management. Knowledge is managed actively, including investment in technology. Information is shared effectively and efficiently in the organization. Past experience and learning is captured from design project and staff. Information resources are available for planning design project. Supplier contribute to innovation, creativity, and design concept. Concurrent engineering and design is integrated through the supply chain. Yung engineering daw po and design, sila yung nagkuhan sa supply chain ng management. Is placed at the center of process management. Design is placed as central process planning to integrate different function within organization. Sila naman daw yung nagplan ng different function within organization and their partnership. Process thinking is used to resolve design problem and foster teamwork within the organization with external partners. An effective and efficient end-to-end product service creation process is developed and deployed with full engagement of all relevant functions, including its improvement. Impact on society and business perform. Consideration is given to how the design of a product or service impact on the environment. Kung maganda yung lokasyon, ganun. Recyclability and disposal of material. Packaging and wasted. Kung maganda yung packaging and yun. The economy. Kung ba yung economy nila malaki, mataas. There is understanding of the impact of design on the business result, both financial and non-financial. The value chain and design process. Creativity. Your supplier, your organization, your customer. The design process, partnership. And thank you very much po.